Collagen is a crucial protein that contributes to the elasticity and structure of the skin. Including collagen-rich foods in your diet can potentially support skin health and promote a radiant complexion. Here are some foods that are naturally rich in collagen or promote collagen production. Bone broth. This is one of the best sources of collagen. It's made by simmering animal bones, usually chicken or beef, to extract collagen and other beneficial nutrients. Fish. Fish like salmon and mackerel contain collagen, as well as omega-3 fatty acids that can help maintain skin elasticity. Chicken. Chicken skin and connective tissues are good sources of collagen. Opt for organic or free-range chicken for better quality. Egg whites. Egg whites are rich in proline, an amino acid that is important for collagen production. Citrus fruits. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, and citrus fruits like oranges, lemons, and grapefruits are high in this vitamin. Berries. Berries such as strawberries, blueberries, and blackberries are rich in antioxidants, which help protect the skin and promote collagen production. Leafy greens. Vegetables like spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are high in vitamins and minerals that support collagen production. Avocado. Avocado is rich in healthy fats and vitamin E, which can contribute to skin hydration and health. Nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds contain essential nutrients like zinc and copper, which are important for collagen production. Bell peppers. These are high in vitamin C and also contain a good amount of collagen-promoting antioxidants. Tomatoes. Rich in the antioxidant lycopene. Tomatoes can help protect the skin from sun damage and support collagen production. Garlic. Garlic contains sulfur, which is essential for collagen synthesis and helps maintain the skin's elasticity. Beans. Legumes such as black beans, kidney beans, and chickpeas provide a good amount of zinc, which is a mineral that supports collagen production. Cabbage. Cabbage is a cruciferous vegetable that contains a compound called sulforaphane, known for its skin protective and anti-aging properties.